Hi everyone. In the last video, I showed you how to select your favorite voices. In this video, I am going to show how to generate voiceover with the help of text to speech. The very first thing that you should do is you should keep your script ready. You should keep your script ready. So this is my script. Your journey is not defined by where you started, but the courage you show each day. So let's say this is the script. Now, what you have to do is you have to copy this particular prompt. The prompt is you are an expert in formatting scripts for 11 labs text to speech. Take my raw script and return a version that is ready to paste in 11 labs. So I'm going to copy this script. I'm going to copy this prompt and I'll go to Chatgpt. I'll go to Chatgpt and I'm going to simply paste the prompt here. Once you paste the prompt, in the end of the prompt you say here is my script. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to copy this entire script and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now I'm going to hit enter. Let's see how it goes. Now what we are doing is we are taking assistance from ChatGPT to format our script according to 11 labs, so it is going to generate great voice for us. So it has generated the script. I'm going to copy the script. I'll go back to text to speech here and I'm going to simply paste it. Now you may ask me, you may be thinking, what are these words? Break time 500 milliseconds, break time 1 second, break time 500 milliseconds. You may be wondering why we need to add these details in our script. What is happening here is ChatGPT has taken your script, it has analyzed it, and it knows exactly where to give pauses. If you don't give pause between sentences, it is going to sound robotic. So, to make it sound like human, ChatGPT had analyzed your script and it is giving you advice on where exactly you should give the gap between sentences. And also it is analyzing, depending upon the sentence, it knows exactly whether to give 500 milliseconds or 1 second or 2 seconds. So this is such a great information that we are getting from ChatGPT. Now, once the script is ready, all you need to do is click on generate speech. See, the voice mark is selected. Click on generate speech. Now it is going to generate the
Your journey
speech.
is not defined by where you started, but by the courage you show each day. Every step forward, no matter how small, moves you closer to the life you dream of. When doubt whispers in your ear, remember that you have overcome challenges before, and you will overcome them again. Success is not built in a single moment. It is crafted in persistence, in resilience, and in the belief that tomorrow can be better than today. Stand tall, breathe deeply, and remind yourself. You already carry the strength within you to rise, to push forward, and to succeed.
All right. This is the most advanced. Uh, this is the most advanced tip or information that you can use to generate great scripts without having any problems. Because a lot of people, what they do is they simply take the script. And they put it in 11 labs text to speech and they generate the speech without giving the break time. What happens is it is going to sound very robotic because you're not giving a break between the sentences. Now, with the help of ChatGPT, we already took assistance and we asked where exactly we should use the space or break time. So all you need to do is take the output from ChatGPT, put it here, generate the speech, boom, your script is ready without any problems. It sounds so professional and so nice. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.